Hello and welcome to my channel. Yes. Oh, I'm still in the US. But that I'm not going to change soon. But I just came, just to give a little update. It's not much of an update, but because we have gotten the front push. I wanted to put a gate there, to the front push. So they did that, and you're gonna see that. And I wanted like a glass door into the kitchen. So they did that too. Yeah, those are the two updates for the house right now, and I'm going to let you all know that if there's anything else, and you know, it's just too much stuff going on right now. But I'm taking it one day at a time, and I will be leaving soon. But those were like the updates that I had to do because I didn't want anyone just coming through my front porch. I just wanted a little gate there. So the guys came to put the gate up, and then they figured that it wasn't right, so they took it out and took it back, and they got it right and brought it back. So we gotta get there. Nobody can just walk on to my front porch and just, unless I open the gate for them. Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and do not forget to share. This is my update for my retirement home in Liberia. So I'm going to give you an update on my trip, when I'm going to be leaving. As you can see behind me, my suitcase is already packed. Me and the grandson's suitcase is already packed. We are packed to go. But I just want everything done. So when I go, I just set up things. I don't want, to go paying for anything else. So got the kitchen door done, got the front porch gate. The little gate will lock, so nobody can come in that way. But thank you so much, and just watch the video and see them putting the gate up and the door. Thank you so much. Bye. Hello, hello, hello again. Now, as you can see, they're trying to put in the door for the, let's say the low gate for the front push. The guys, they are there trying to put that in, and I don't know, they're measuring and doing all that stuff, and it seemed like the measurement didn't work well. So they're trying to, I think they're going to take that out and then take it back and see what else they can do with it. Yeah, because they're looking at that, and I don't know. I think they figure out that that won't work that way. So they're going to take it out, and then and let's see what they're going to do. I don't know. But yeah, they're still talking about it. And he said that it's not going to work that way. He's measuring it again and trying to get it right. So measure it up, measure it down, and I guess let's see what else they're going to do. So they took it out, and they're going to take it back, and I guess try and fix it or adjust it the way they want it to. Yeah. So they brought it back again and doing the same thing, but I guess it didn't. It's still not going to work the way they want it to. So so we see how that gonna work. Yep. More measurements. And those are glass gates, so they're trying to make it right so they don't break or anything, So they're still deciding on what to do. But they're the professional, I'm not. So we see what they want to do. Yeah, let's see what they're going to do. I don't know. But it's still measuring. And let's see, measuring, and they're taking it back. They're going to take it back and see how that's going to be. Yep, taking it back. So I guess the final product, you're going to see the final product and see what they're going to do with that. Yeah. So, but this is the kitchen door that they did. It's a glass door going into the kitchen. And that's the door. They did that already. And all that colorful stuff on there, it's just a peel off. So we're going to peel everything off. And that's the final product of the gate. So, that looking good. Thank you so much for watching. I thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment and tell me if those are good games or things okay. Just let me know. Give me your feedback on anything, and if I need improvement, I will change it and improve it. Because you live in Liberia, and other people, they know things that's supposed to be done. But just let me know. Give me your feedback. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Till then, I say peace and more love to you. Thank you so much. Bye.